Welcome to the life cycle of a bean plant, Life Science Corners for Kindergarten by Norma Flores. The NGS performance standards that will be discussed are 3.7.3.2, provide care, record information about the care, feeding, and maintenance of a living thing. Change in plant, observe a plant to identify how it changes as it grows from a seed to the adult plant and record data using non-standard measurement devices. So the students will be able to describe the germination process of a bean plant and conduct a simple science experiment and observe and record the outcome, identify the basic needs of a bean seeds, and also how to measure using a ruler. And the first station, this is where they will be planting. The teacher, myself, will be reading The Life Cycle of a Bean Plant book by Andrea Chavez and discuss it. And after reading the book, the children will plant 3 beans and label them. And this is the equipment we will be using. Beans, a clear plastic cup, cotton, water, blue tape, markers, and also a spray bottle. At this station, or this will be posted, 20 minutes at each station, reminding the children to use inside voices, cleaning up before they leave, being kind and courteous, and keeping their hands, feet, and other objects to themselves, but not eating them. And at this station, the students will review the book, The Life Cycle of a Bean Plant, that we read. And once they're done reading the book, they will color, cut, and paste this worksheet, and a sample will be given so that they can review the life cycle of the bean plant. At the next station, the children will be able to use their Chromebooks and watch a video on the growth and care of a bean plant, discuss how to care for a plant, and also take notes in their notebooks. At the last station, they will be observing, measuring, drawing, and recording the growth of their bean plant. They will be using pencils, crayons, a worksheet. They will be observing their bean plant each day and also measuring the bean plant with the little ruler. Thank you for watching.